As for today's lesson, we will be looking into the opportunity cost and the production possibility curve. Okay, let's begin with the definition of opportunity cost, and is defined as the cost measured in terms of the next best choice given up when making a decision. What every student needs to understand here is that every choice made has an opportunity cost, because in most cases there's always an alternative. Let's look into an example. Instead of watching this video, the other alternative is watching a movie. Let's now go a little further. The opportunity cost can also be represented on a diagram as production possibility curve, PPC. Never get it confused, because some textbook might be using the word production possibility frontier, PPF. It's the same thing, the same meaning. So, well, just to understand, PPC curve represents the maximum amount of goods and services which can be produced in an economy. So, in simpler terms, what you need to understand is that it represents the productive capacity, the maximum output of an economy. These are just the graph that shows an inwards or an outwards of PPC curve. So to the left hand side, the diagram, it represents an increase in productive capacity of the firm. The second figure, which is to your right hand side, the PPC shift inwards represents a decrease in the productive capacity of the firm. It's very important for each of y'all to differentiate an outward shifting towards right or an inward shifting towards the left. And just to add on, the shift of curves that are caused mainly by changes in the total amount of available production factors, or maybe by increase in advancement in technology. If the total amount of production factors, for example, it could be labor or capital, that increases, then the economy is able to produce more goods at any point along the frontier. But if the total amount of production decreases, or maybe it could be any natural disaster, it indicates that the potential output in an economy has decreased, and that's where it illustrates as shifting inwards. So students, please be clear of inwards or outwards that shift in a PPC curve. Guess that is all from me today. Thanks for watching my video, girls and guys. Have a pleasant day. Stay tuned for my next upcoming lesson.